Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Caz. I'm Caz.
And I'm Clyde. It's great to be here.
It is. And today, we're talking about something really useful.
Introducing yourself.
Exactly. Because when you meet someone new, one of the first things you need to do is introduce yourself.
And sometimes that's easier said than done.
Oh, definitely. You know what to say in your head.
But then someone says, "Tell me about yourself." And suddenly,
Your mind goes blank.
exactly.
So don't worry. Today, we're going to make it easy.
We'll show you some real conversations and give you some useful phrases you can use yourself.
Perfect. So, listen carefully, and let's get started. So, let's imagine we're meeting for the first time. Listen to how we introduce ourselves.
Hi. I don't think we've met before. I'm Clyde.
Oh, hi, Clyde. Nice to meet you. I'm Caz.
Nice to meet you too, Caz.
So, where are you from?
I'm from the United States. How about you?
I'm from South Africa.
Oh, nice. South Africa. I've always wanted to visit.
Really? You should come.
I'd love to.
So, what do you do?
I work in IT. What about you?
I'm an English teacher.
Ah, that makes sense.
Why?
Because you're very good at explaining things.
Oh, thank you.
It was really nice meeting you, Caz.
You too, Clyde. Have a great day. Okay, that was a simple conversation, but we used some really useful English.
Yes. Let's look at some of those phrases.
First, you said, I don't think we've met before.
That's a great phrase when you're talking to someone for the first time.
Yes, it's a polite and friendly way to start a conversation.
Then I said, I'm Clyde.
And you could also say, my name is Clyde.
Right, both are correct.
Although, I'm Clyde sounds very natural in everyday conversation.
Then you asked me, where are you from?
That's one of the most common questions when meeting someone.
And then you asked me, what do you do?
Now, careful. What do you do? Doesn't mean
What are you doing right now?
exactly.
It usually means, what's your job?
Good point.
So, when you're meeting someone new, you can talk about your name, where you're from, and what you do.
That's it. Keep it simple. Now that we've looked at a casual introduction, let's try another situation.
This time, imagine you're meeting someone at work.
Maybe it's your first day at a new company.
Let's listen to the conversation. Good morning. You must be the new team member.
Good morning. Yes, I am. I'm Caz.
I'm Clyde. I work in the marketing team.
Nice to meet you, Clyde.
Nice to meet you too. When did you start?
I started this week.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you.
What's your role here?
I'm working as a customer service assistant.
Oh, great. If you need any help, just let me know.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome.
That conversation was a little different because we were in a work situation.
Right, and we used a couple of useful expressions.
You said, you must be the new team member.
Yes, we can say this when we think we know who someone is.
Exactly. For example,
You must be Sarah. Or, you must be the new teacher.
perfect.
And you said, that's very kind of you.
That's a lovely, polite expression.
You can use it when someone offers to help you or does something nice for you.
For example, let me help you with those bags.
That's very kind of you.
Exactly. Now, you've heard two conversations. It's time for you to practice.
Yes, this time we'll talk directly to you.
We'll ask you some questions, and you can answer out loud.
Don't worry if you need a little time. Take your time.
Ready?
Let's go. Hi, my name is Clyde. What's your name?
Great. Nice to meet you.
Now tell us where you're from.
I'm from South Africa. Where are you from?
Excellent.
Now let's talk about your job.
What do you do?
You could say, I work as a.
Or I'm a.
Fantastic.
You're doing really well.
Now let's put everything together.
Tell us your name
Where you're from?
and what you do.
Go ahead.
Well done.
Great job. You've just practiced introducing yourself in English.
And you've seen two different situations today. Meeting someone casually and meeting someone at work.
So, Clyde, what are the most important things to remember?
Your name, where you're from, and what you do.
That's right. Keep it simple. And don't worry about making mistakes.
That's right. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Thank you for joining us today, Clyde.
Thank you for having me, Caz. I had fun.
Wow. Me too.
And thank you for listening.
If this lesson helped you, follow Learn English with Caz for more easy English practice.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye.